hit us.
What the? Ai đi xịt nữa rồi chỗ lớn nhỉ? Sao là lẩu lẩu kia kìa?
Oh my God! Wow. Come on, buddy. What are you doing here?
मर्जी करने वाला भैया लंबा रास्ता हो जाता बाकी आने तो ज्यादा नहीं ट्राई करना लगी तो नहीं पहुंच गया यार
to jot down today's Ramadan recipe. Today we feature
There lies a long shadow.
That like the things you think when you are afraid are not made more true by your fear during the situation. And of course my example always for this is 35-year-old white woman.
I didn't think I'd make it. I was in.
Ух ты, блядь. Стоять нахуй.
Ой, сука, все.
Питер, блядь. Как это он так? Любимая, вам не позволят уже?
предназначены для передачи.
Oh!
Split.
Блядь, сука!
It's also important to outline, we're not saying that Charles was like a bad person or did anything expressly evil. But because the way the law was written at the time, it let people get away with this. But it seems that Charles, even if he didn't work with them directly, he was definitely knowledgeable.
Probably go by ground. Probably go by ground shipping then. That will take a little longer to my location. But no. Okay.
After lying still and recovering for a few seconds, she crawled toward the front of the truck, slipped down onto the cab, and then climbed down the side of it, using the side view mirror and door handle as toe holds and grips. Once she was on the concrete floor, Ballard checked the warehouse's doors to see if she would have a quick escape route.
Turn right onto East Broad Street.
Oh, wow, I haven't been in this little section in a long time.
Are you okay?
Yes, you can make all these points in your series. Yeah. Right. So where can people find your series? The speed of it.
Current book video is now.
So that will appear on Apple.
Even driving right. I don't even know now.
So crazy. Oh, jeez.
Oh, shit.
Okay, we're stopping.
We are just a few minutes away from opening up the guns to the highway fine things out of the
Okay, stop.
Partnership. See, turn. Oh. Oh, fuck.
I just got into an accident. Girlfriend, I just got into a car accident. I got to call police. Bye-bye.
Shit, are we gonna get hit? Are we gonna get hit?
And I think the short notice is going to be
for his mind. Because he's
Okay.
Yeah, easy.
Yep. Very good. Sorry. Oh, what was that?
Fuck me. Oh, man.
What happened?
Oh, no, I'm fine.
You turn him. So wait a minute. I'm sitting across from Tim Egan, the Pulitzer Prize-winning news.
What the
You're in Italy, and you're looking at some relics.
Smoking a pretzel stick as if it's a cigar. Because what else are you supposed to do? Jesus. Holy fuck.
They're now a drug.
Whoa.
What? You're kidding me. But they were not on it.
Starting for an emergency breakdown.
Okay.
What do you think?
What?
Fuck me, you fucking asshole cunt.
We almost fucking died.